Maybe you've guessed it from the title. I'm going to tear apart this hoverboard, I guess it's called. The reason for this is this. It's not a crack, but it's more open on the top than on the bottom. Yeah, it's not really good visible on the video, but just believe me. And I thought maybe more people are interested in what's inside. Also notice my very professional camera rig. So, okay. Let's play some music, shall we? I just noticed that there are two different types of screws. And another type of screw. Okay, I guess you noticed that I put the screws in the order that I've put them out. They match exactly the order of the hoverboard. And what I will do now is take a picture in case I make something stupid. Yeah, all the screws are out now. By the way, the reason for this greater opening here is that, yeah, it was kind of an accident, nothing happened here. It still works, but I thought I'm interested in what's inside anyway. This is how it looks. Oh, it's quite a big battery. Still don't know what's wrong here. Let's open up the other side. Quite a lot of electronics. I didn't expect it, to be honest. Samsung battery. I have one of the better ones that don't blow up, as I've heard. Maybe just rumors. Bigpower.com, interesting. I hope this is even fixable. At the moment, I don't think so. Yeah, to be honest, I don't think this is fixable. You can see there is a metal stick inside here, and I guess the whole thing is bent a little. I guess I'll leave it as it is, and my curiosity of opening it up is not fulfilled. So yeah, let's put it back together. Here is another little trick. If you tear something apart and you put it back together, and there are screws of this type, not this type, but this one, then, oh, where was it? Then, you can put a little bit of pressure on the screwdriver and screw it in the wrong direction, and eventually you will hear this, it's not very loud, but this silent noise sound. You can certainly also feel it on the screwdriver. I hope you hear it on the video. And this helps you to decide when to screw in the correct direction. Well, I didn't repair anything or whatever, but I didn't mess it up, I hope. Let's see. Yes, it works. And now I know what's inside, and you do too. Okay, thanks, bye. Oh yeah, and thumbs up if you like my new camera rig.